So hello guys, today I want to teach you some of the things you need to inspect at site as an engineer, okay? Kwa column. So this is a column ribber, okay? This one, column ribber, you can see these are D16, okay? And these star rings, it's gonna be 8, okay? These are star rings. These are star rings, another star ring up there, goes like that, all the way from down from the foundation to the last floor, okay? So, kuna parts za column, okay? Kuna hii bending angle, you can see na iko na bending hook. You can see these are the bending hooks, and you can see this is the bending radius, okay? Alafu tena guys, you need to know there is this thing inaitwa lateral ties. Unaona hii ya juu na hii haifanani, so ukienda kuangalia your column should be like that. Hizo star rings zinafaa kuwa opposite, okay? Ina interchange, moja inaangalia hivi, the next inaangalia hivi, so the next itakuwa inaangalia hivyo, next alternating, okay guys? So alafu tena kwa column isha indicate the spacing between the star rings, okay? Another thing, kuna hii kitu inaitwa binding wire, okay? Alafu kuna hii kitu imeona hapa, utaona hapa mwisho. Inakuwa kwa wall. Okay? Na tunauliza hii ni nini? Hii ni hook iron. So watu wanauliza ati mbona inatokea hapa kwa column? So in hook iron inatumikanga after every 2 courses za mawe, okay? So guys, thank you for learning with me. Join for my next lesson. Subscribe, like and share and follow. So guys, bye.